Hello, this is Jean LaPaz, and I am a tutoring assistant for Dr. McHale in your Math 141 Statistics online class. And I wanted to take this opportunity this first week to talk to you a little bit about tutoring services. Statistics is a difficult class for some, and sometimes you need a little extra help. So I thought in this first week we could talk a little bit about the tutoring resources that are available for you at Heartland if you are not already accustomed to having those services. You see, we are at the home page, the Heartland homepage, and I'm going to click on the Student Support tab, and it's going to take you to the Student Support website, and you can click on Academic Assistance, and you will see Tutoring Services, and we will click on Explore the Tutoring Center. And there are a couple different types of appointments that you can have. Actually, you can have no appointment. You just drop into our help lab without an appointment, and if you do that, you just come on into SCB 1300, and it's available to students during all of our open operation hours, which are right here. Monday through Thursday 10 to 7, Friday 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., and Saturday 1 to 5. Those are the hours of operation for the Help Lab. Now, if you want a one-on-one appointment, usually that's scheduled in either in half an hour or hour increments, and that's where you meet with a tutor one-on-one. It's just the two of you. You're in a room where it's quiet and you can concentrate on talking about what help you need. If you would like to make a tutoring appointment, then you click on the tutoring tab, and here are a couple of different options. You can either drop in tutoring services, and a tutoring assistant will be more than glad to help you. You can call tutoring services, and someone will schedule you an appointment. And you can also schedule online using the My Heartland tab. And so if you go to My Heartland, you will click on Appointments, and then if you click on Tutoring, and it won't show because it's before classes start, but here you would be able to pick a time that is good for you, and you indicate the course, and you will get an appointment with a tutor. But if you don't see any appointments available, that's okay as well. You can drop in, you can give us a call, or you can submit an online request to have what we call an on-call appointment. That means that even though we don't have a specific tutor scheduled in the tutoring services at that time, if you need help, we can schedule at a different time, and that's the tutor will go ahead and meet with you at that time, even though they aren't scheduled. And we call that, as I said, an on-call appointment. So you could drop into the services, you can call, or you can submit a request online, and you click on the online request form, and you just fill out the information that has the red asterisk, and you click Submit, and you will be contacted by a tutoring assistant. There is another option, and this is an online class. You can also request online tutoring, and that means that we use GoToMeeting as a means to establish a connection. We see each other. We can share our screens, and we can work on different problems together. The last time I did this for a statistics student, lots of times we would just share the screen and we would work through your MyLabs Plus problems, and we could talk through that. But it's all done online. So that's also an option available for you. And if you would like that, you just click on the Request Online Tutoring and say that you would like to schedule an online tutoring request, And so you just, again, fill out the information, and a tutoring assistant will be in contact with you about that. So several different types of options available for you. I hope that, and we also have, as you can see, we provide services on the Normal, the Pontiac, and the Lincoln campus. If you have any questions, please feel free to email Dr. McHale, and she will make sure it gets to me. Otherwise, I look forward to talking with you for the rest of the semester. We have these videos on different types of statistics problems that you might encounter in MyLabs Plus. I hope you have a good time. Dr. McHale is a very good instructor, and we will see you later.